Let us now see one example for double bond electron dot structure for oxygen. So we find a double bond in oxygen molecule. Here we have two oxygen atoms. The nucleus has been shown in both the cases and the valence shell has been shown. The electronic configuration of oxygen is 2,6 and 6 electrons have been shown here, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Same way in the other atom also 6 electrons have been shown. Now if only one pair of electron is shared between these two atoms, it will not lead to the formation of octet or 8 electrons in the valence shell. If only one pair of electron is shared, then the total number of electrons with each atom will become just 7. But if two pairs of electrons are shared, then each atom will get 8 electrons and they will be able to establish octet. So here each atom of oxygen has shared 2 electrons each. So 2 electrons from this atom and 2 electrons from this atom. Both are shared here, and in all you can see 2 pairs or 4 electrons. Now these 4 electrons are a common property for both the atoms of oxygen. Now these 4 belong to this atom. So 4 coming from here, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Same way 4 electrons of this atom also, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So both the atoms have been able to establish an octet and have become stable. Oxygen is also a diatomic molecule because two atoms of oxygen will get together to give you one molecule of oxygen. Here also it has been shown the dot structure, oxygen, 4 are remaining with it, 2 it has shared. Same way this atom also 4 are remaining, 2 it has shared. So both the atoms have shared 2 electrons each. So total number of electrons here become 4, which are going to belong to this oxygen also and to this oxygen also. Since 2 pairs of electrons are shared, we indicate it by 2 lines. And it's a double bond. So one line means 2 electrons. 2 lines indicate 4 electrons or 2 pairs of electrons. So since 2 pairs of electrons are being shared, it is a double bond. So this is how you will show it. Oxygen, the 4 remaining electrons you have to show, and double line. Here also we have drawn the diagram. Nucleus of oxygen. Oxygen symbol you have to write inside it. Valence shell comprising of 6 electrons each. This oxygen shares its 2 electrons. This oxygen also shares its 2 electrons. The overlapping shells have been shown, valence shells. 4 electrons we have shown with different colors to indicate that 2 are coming from each atom. So now these 4 here belong to this atom also and to this one also. So 2, this is in all 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So octet for this oxygen is established. Same way 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So octet for this oxygen is also established and an oxygen molecule is formed. This is dot structure again. Here we are only showing dots because here only the dot structure, how to draw is explained. So these are the 6 electrons of this atom of oxygen. These are the 6 electrons in the valence shell of this oxygen. Same as we represented here. And finally, the double bond that is formed and the remaining 4 electrons you have to show. So this shows that if two pairs of electrons are being shared between two atoms, it is called as a double bond. I hope you have understood this part, how to draw. Once you show the 6 electrons for each atom of oxygen, what you have to do is first you have to show the 4 shared electrons and then draw the remaining electrons. Each atom is still left with 4. This also is left with 4. Now when you are drawing the circle, you have to take into account the 4 electrons which are being shared. So this will be your first circle. Now when you draw this circle, you get these 4 electrons plus the 4 which are left with this atom. So in all it becomes 8. So octet is established. Then you draw the second circle. When you draw the second circle, you will take into account again these 4 electrons because they are common for both the atoms. So when you draw, the circles will overlap. And now these 4 electrons plus the 4 which are remaining with this atom makes it again 8, and that is octet for this atom is also established. So that is how you will show the distribution of electrons, that is 8 electrons with each atom of oxygen.